Relate to that dog story. I had to walk my girlfriend's dog this morning. It was a little chilly to say the least. And this morning low, as I showed you in the first forecast, 27 degrees. That's the coldest morning low this meteorological winter. Now we will have another chilly night tonight, getting down into the 20s. It'll be close to this number, so certainly bundle up this evening. Today's high, only 45 degrees, average should be 60. Now right now you're seeing the numbers into the 30s and the 40s. Metter at 40, Glenville at 36, Vidalia at 41, Darien coming in at 38, and Beaufort also coming in at 38 degrees. How much of a temperature change has been experienced here locally over the last 24 hours? Not much to absolutely none at Claxton and Jessup. So it was cold yesterday, it's cold this afternoon, and this is where the temperatures will go as we go into the evening hours, down into the 20s, 27 degrees around 3 o'clock in the morning. So I am forecasting a temperature of about the middle 20s for us here. And you can see all that cold air entrenched across the area. But watch what happens. That's Monday morning. Monday afternoon, okay, we get back into the upper 40s, so a little warmer tomorrow, but still chilly. And then we get down into the 30s for overnight lows on Tuesday morning. And look at this. How about 50 out towards Jackson, Mississippi? So 50s will be coming back our way for overnight lows. Don't worry here, folks. If you do like that warmer air, we will see above average temperatures. As far as the satellite is concerned, we had a few clouds over the last couple hours push across the Savannah viewing area, and there's high, thin, wispy clouds. You notice the motion of them coming in from the north and the west. Memphis at 30 right now, Chicago at 17. We're right now, as I said, into the upper 30s across the area, and this high pressure is giving us that cold air, still hanging on here, not only for tonight, but going into tomorrow as well. Now that high is going to drift over towards the Tidewater, Virginia, and park itself there, so we'll have more of a northeasterly wind kicking in. We'll have a fair amount of sunshine during the course of the day, so not too bad. Make sure you have your shades handy. And as we go throughout Tuesday, that high will now shift further east out into the Atlantic. So now, as we go from Tuesday into Wednesday and beyond, we'll see more of a south and southwest wind building in, and that means obviously some milder temperatures for us. And as far as rain is concerned, looking pretty dry here. Most of the upper level winds are going to be zonal, moving from west to east, so we'll see very little of any activity as far as major storms across the area. Vidalia tonight, 22 degrees. Blackshear, 26 degrees. How about Hinesville? 23 degrees for you guys. Sylvania 21, Springfield 22, Rankin coming in at 23 degrees. Skidaway Island, Tybee Island, though, upper 20s to near 30 degrees. And in the low country, Hampton at 21 to Hilton Head at 28 degrees. And we'll see those numbers get between 44 and 49 degrees on Monday afternoon. Mostly sunny skies, a brisk afternoon. Again, the average high should be 60 degrees. Here's a look at the extended forecast. You can see what I'm talking about. It's going to be a fairly dry period here over the next 7 days, but we climb out of the deep freeze tomorrow, 49, Tuesday, 65, and then we get above normal, 72 on Wednesday, middle 70s, and even upper 70s by the end of the week. That's a look at the 7-day forecast. More news, sports, and weather to continue after the break.